Good morning, team. In this video, I will brief you about today's work. This is a research report on management of business networks and cloud computing technologies. Before starting this document, it is very important to cross-check the research report that you have submitted as a part of first task. Okay, this is a continuation task to the report 1. So please cross-check your report 1 to understand what are the companies that you have taken, like that you have considered to conduct analysis on their networking capabilities. So if you remember, in the first report, we worked on comparing the networks that are used by two different organizations. The two different organizations that you have chosen are, one is very small organization and the second one is large organization. So the purpose of that report was to compare how network requirements of organizations of different sizes plan their network capabilities and network components to support its day-to-day business activities. In this report, based on the, like, see, in the first report you might have identified some of the issues that are related to the networks that are implemented for the organizations. Okay, so based on those drawbacks, or maybe considering the future expectations of the organization, we are supposed to propose certain communication appropriate communication networks in this document. We are not going to create any designs, but we review how it is, what kind of technology should be included for the organization and how it will be helpful to the organization. Okay, this is very this is core area, like this is heart of this report, second report. You are supposed to propose some xyz type of communication network for the organization, or a combination of communication network types to support businesses of the organization. For example, if you take a small organization, it might need one type of communication network, and because it need only like very few, one or two types of communication networks to be contributed, to be implemented for the organization, because it is very small and it will have very limited operations. When you cross check with the large organizations, it will be having a wide or like a variety of services it will be offering. So to support those services, we need to include, or like we need to create more advanced networks, which is a combination of different types of communication technologies will be used. Okay, so to make it simple, just